What's up, guys? So we are going to go over Aurora. So first of all, we're going to look at the MJ sector. Now, as you can see, this is the 5-year chart. RSI is very low. MACD has crossed over. This is one of the main reasons why we're looking at Aurora right now. We can ignore it since, April 2019, but now is when we got to have it on hard watch. So the MJ sector is a good signal that it's about everything in the MJ. Whatever you put your money into, you're probably going to get a return in the next 6 months. We just had a lot of downward pressure for the past 10 months almost. Now that it's coming to fruition that we're about to make a reversal, the upside is going to be really, really strong. So it's in your best interest to look at the the can sector. So now we're looking at Aurora. We are on 5 years. The same, what do you know? The same exact pattern is happening right now. A lot of downward pressure, like MACD's crossing over. The reason ACB lags behind the MJ sector, as you can see, the MACD is just way less mature than the MJ sector. So that's already a tell signal that, the MJ sector, there's good things for Aurora in the near future. But I like getting in before it even crosses over. I was in when MACD was over there. So now that it's crossing over, I think it's a great time for you guys to get into it. That's just my opinion. Definitely not financial advice. We got the long-term chart. It's looking fantastic. This is exactly what you want to look for when you're chart reading. And notice we haven't talked about any fundamentals. This is a very technical analysis driven video, and that's really all you need. And I think that's one of the best things about technical analysis. So we're going to get more detailed with this chart reading. All right. So this right here is the head. This is the right shoulder. This is the left shoulder right over here. It's easier to see right here. It's just so obvious. And this is what I like to look for. You got the shoulder, the head. People think it's going to go down, but you get some crazy volume. And the volume isn't diverging. If the volume's going down and the price action is going down, you're on the right track. We're going to get an explosion of volume. The CEOs like to line it up with the fundamentals. They're going to release some crazy freaking news because they know how to chart read. They get paid in stock. And as I make more videos, you guys are going to notice the current trend. I'm going to say that a lot. They get paid in stock. Think about that. And they know how to read charts. I know if I get paid $20 billion or $200 million or some shit like that, I'm going to be chart reading as I sell and as I get my shares. So they're probably going to announce some crazy news. I'm not saying it can't go to $1. Some analysts have said that. But, horrible track records, by the way. Like, I have a better track record than those guys. I'm up like 400% for the year. I mean, like in a year's time. On New Year's, I was up 300%. But yeah, it's a perfect time to get in. It's a perfect time to get in, guys. It's exactly when you want to do it. We'll look it up on Investopedia. I know some of you guys like to see this stuff. Inverse head and shoulders. Very, very powerful technical analysis tool. It's exactly what you're looking for. It's actually like a diamond in the rough. Like, as a technical analysis driven investor, these don't happen often. And after such huge downside pressure by the analysts, $1 price targets and shit, you know. So essentially you get that distance right there, and it's literally going to go up like that. So my price target is just $4. So if you go heavy, that's a lot of money. You know what I mean? But hope this helps you guys. Definitely read the fundamentals. You know, I'm sure you have. So, but the way the fundamentals work, you know, I deserve. You guys got to come back to my channel if I'm right about that. But they're gonna drop some huge fundamentals when the time is right to get the volume, because the volume is so low. You got to have that spike. I'm not playing around, guys. This is textbook. So I'm not telling you to get in Aurora, but I think it's a good time to get in Aurora. Thanks for liking the video, guys. I'm gonna make some more videos about Aurora. I got a good amount of shares about right now. I just added $1,000 today, and I might sell some shares of NIO to buy more. I actually did that yesterday, but anyways, guys, appreciate y'all. I will see you next video.